I love everything. This is my kind of style, you know? I'm a naturalist. It has natural light, the floor-to-ceiling windows, my kind of thing. Just speaks, exclusivity without too much noise. And if you're my kind of person, this is your house. Trust me.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Solis Residence at the Pinnock Beach Estate in Lagos. And CW Real Estate, we're having an open house event right here today. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, fully detached, situated out here at Pinnock Beach Estate. There are so many amazing people out here. Keep it locked in, guys. Don't go nowhere. Come with me.
This is one of the most special gems on the market. It's a 4-bed, it's on 500 square meters. It's well designed. We'll be closing this property this week. Well, let's disappear for a week.
If I close on this property, I'm going to take a trip to Monaco in December.
I feel like this house is well built in terms of quality, in terms of implementation, in terms of design. I think the owners will really enjoy it as they start to live in here.
These are real plants. You get watered every other day.
If you look around the estate, you see that this design is a bit different from what is obtainable around there.
Hey guys, keep it locked in and don't go nowhere. Let's show you around.
It's a nice property that I would love to refer someone to buy.
So I've had a number of my clients come by the property, and surprisingly, a number of them put in an offer. And I am elated to see how that goes. I'm very hopeful that I will close on this property.
Right now, she wants to offer 600 million. I wish you can up it to like 750. Let's see if it's going to fly.
What are you offering? You can submit your offer, then we'll come back to you. We don't reject offers. Submit your offer, then we discuss and come back to you. Yes, flexible. 850 is negotiable. Yeah. So is there any more questions for me?
Depends on how you want. But this particular developer, this is how he builds because, it's like that whole abroad standard vibe. So, the rooms are not too massive. This is the master's bedroom. Spanish wooden tiles as well. Rotex windows from Germany. It's giving like boutique house kind of vibe you get. So This is the walk-in closet. You can also convert another room to a closet. This is the restroom. I figured you like the bathroom, the restroom. Yep.
Wow, so beautiful, guys. So beautiful down here. Okay, so this is a very sizable cinema space. Well, what kind of movies do you like?
Maybe thriller or a movie with you.
Quality space management, and finishing also is very, very premium.
So I tell my colleagues, like, they think that, they say, can you buy this house? If I had money, I honestly buy the house.